flames, humming a melody sweet and clear, the kind that can lift every smile and tear. Missed a move, far removed, steady and strong, guiding the rhythm and pulling us along. Then dawn came in with a golden view, and I felt that dream had broken through. We're flying high in a beautiful tune, dancing on daylight and kissing the moon. Hearts full of laughter, glowing inside, carried by love on a glittering tide. Then I woke up with the morning sun and knew this dream had already begun. Warm as truth and bright as the blue, it all felt real, and it was true. No fantasy fading when morning arrives. This is the feeling that deepens our lives. Clouds turn to promise, song turned to flame, and awakened to truth felt just the same. The joy kept ringing, tender and new, like heaven had opened and let us walk through. We're flying high and we know the way. Love made the night into radiant day, wrapped in a feeling so pure and right. Peace kept singing long into the light. Now I wake up with a grateful heart, knowing this dream was true from the start. With ash beside us, hope shining through the skies that believe, and it all came true. And it was true.